Dear students, now we are going to see the Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Okay, so I will first explain you the connections, how to give. We are using the regulated power supply. Okay, it ranges 0 to 30 volt, 0 to 2 ampere, and I am using the breadboard for the circuit connection. So you see now what connection I had given. So I had taken the positive supply and given to the input resistance. It is 100 ohm. I have taken the 100 ohm resistor, and the other end of the resistor I have taken and I have given to the ammeter. Okay, see here I have taken the, see here the another end is taken and it is given to the ammeter. So I have taken the ammeter milliampere and the range is 0, 50 and 100, and I have connected to 100. Okay, so the other end of the ammeter goes to the Zener diode anode. Okay, see here Zener diode anode. Next I have another end of the Zener diode is connected to the ground. Okay, next I have taken the connections load resistor, which is taken as 330 ohm in this experiment. Okay, so now I connected voltmeter to measure the output voltage. Okay, see here I have taken the voltmeter. So the range is 0, 3, 7.5, 15, 30, and I have connected the voltmeter positive to this resistor, and see the second negative, that is 7.5 to the ground. So thus the circuit gets completed. Okay, so now I have connected the RPS supply, that is I am taking the supply from this and I am giving to the Zener diode, which act as a voltage regulator, and now I am connecting it to the voltage, that is voltmeter, and current. This current is connected, this ammeter is connected across the Zener diode to measure the Zener current, and this voltmeter is connected across the load resistor. We have taken 330 ohm to measure the output voltage. Okay, so this is the circuit connection made. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to give input in this regulated power supply. Okay, according to this change in input, the conduction takes place and we will get the current, and correspondingly we will get the output voltage. What will happen to the Zener diode as a voltage regulator? After giving some input to the voltage, this similar current and voltage gets increasing, and after a particular period of a time your voltage becomes constant and your current keeps on increasing. That's the voltage regulated. Okay, now I will take the reading and I will show you. First everything is in 0, so no conduction takes place. Okay, now you see I am increasing the input voltage. See the voltmeter and ammeter, the reading shows, right? See here. Now I will measure the Zener current. Now I connected it to 100, so I will take the reading as it is. Okay, so it is 3 milliampere Zener current. My output voltage is, how I am connected to 7.5. So the obtained reading will be multiplied into 2. So what is the reading is that 0.39. So it has to be multiplied with 2. Okay. Next again I am increasing the input voltage. Now here is what per 1.3. Okay. See here again I am increasing the voltage, input voltage. Now the input voltage is 2.7, which is set using this DC supply, and my current is 5 milliampere, and my voltage is 0.84. My output voltage is 0.84. Again I am increasing the voltage, some 4.2. My input voltage is 4.2, my Zener current is 9 milliampere and my voltage is 1.3. Again I am increasing the voltage. The input voltage is 6.6. Current is 15 milliampere. Your output voltage is 2.04. Okay. Now you see I am still increasing the voltage. Sorry. Now our input voltage is 7.7. Our current is 21 milliampere. Current is 21 milliampere and our output voltage is 2.2 volt. Now you see, now I am going to increase the input voltage. Now see what happens. See, now our current increases but our voltage is constant. Now our input voltage is 9.3 and our current is 38 milliampere and our output voltage becomes constant. See, 2.22. Okay. So again I am increasing the input voltage. You see, like 11 voltage. You see the current, it is 55 milliampere. See the voltage, it is still 2.22. Okay, so likewise this, after this also if you increase, your voltage remains constant and your current increases. That's all.